If b equal 5, then b subtract by space equal to b minus 3 equal to, write 3 in the space. Question 102. If d equal 4, then space multiplication by d equal 20. We know 4 times 5 equal 20, then 5d equal 20. Next question, if k equal 12, then k plus space equal k divided by space equal 4, k divided by 3, because 12 divided by 3 equal 4. Question 104, the inequality that represent all values less than 6, it will be less than 6, x less than, it will be what, less than negative 6, it will be x less than negative 6. Okay, choose, write this sign here, okay, less than. Question 105, the similarities between the graphs of two algebraic expressions, x equals 6 and x greater than equal to 6, 6 belong to path, right? 6 belong to path, okay, because x equals 6 here and x greater than equal to 6, it's meaning 6 belong to the first equation and second equality. Then similarity between the graphs of two algebraic expressions, it will be 6 belong to, or belongs to path, 6 belongs to path. Question 106, the inequality that represent all values greater than negative 1, it will be x greater than negative 1. Question 107, the inequality that represent all values less than 2, it will be x less than 2. This sign used it, okay, x less than 2. Question 108, 108, the inequality that represent all values to the right of negative 9, it's meaning greater than negative 9 in the number line. Okay, we can write here x greater than negative 9. Question 109, e equal 8 minus r, this equation, okay, the independent variable here we called it r here we called it independent, okay, the independent here r, and the dependent here it will be e. Question 110, in the equation m minus 8 equal a, the dependent variable, okay, the dependent variable it will be m, okay, we called it dependent. Dependent, it's meaning what's the number here or variable form here to the equation, it's meaning input, okay. Dependent here, it's meaning which unknown variable it will be input, it will be m. Question 111, the price of boxes depends on the number of boxes partial, then the dependent variable is what? Here in this example we have number of box and the price of box, then the independent it will be number of box, okay, it will be independent, the independent here number of box, but independent the total or the cost, right, the price of box, the price of box, okay. Question 112, in the equation m minus 8 equal a, the independent variable it will be m, okay, we called it independent here, which the variable form here you can write it, the variable vector variable here in this equation it will be input here it will be m. Input it's meaning independent it's meaning which the letters in the equation will be input here m, but output a. Question 113, the equation that represents the relation between the number of months x and the total money she saved y is y equal 50x. Then the independent variable and dependent variable, okay, we can find dependent and independent. Look at the equation here and then choosing the result. Question 113, I will write the relation here. He give us this equation y equal 50x, okay, y is the total and x the variable factor here, we called it input. X here we called it input, and output will be y. Input here x we called it independent, so the independent here x and dependent will be y. Okay, so you must write x, we called it in the first space here, and second space we can write dependent variable, it will be y. And third question, the money she saved in 6 months, but x equals 6, but x equals 6. To find the total will be money he will save it at 6 months, but x equals 6 here, then y will be 50 multiplication by 6, and 0 by 6 equals 0, and 5 times 6 equals 30. So he will save here what, how many? He will save, the total money will be 300 pounds or Egyptian lira, any units right here. Okay, write 300 here, it's the total. Again, in this equation, y equal 50x, x here we called it independent, and y we called it dependent. And if x equals 6, because he won't find the money she saved in 6 months, but x equal 6. See here, 50x is meaning 50 product by x, then 50 product by 6, the result will be 300. It's the total or the cost. Question 114. In the equation y equal x plus 4, then the rule here it will be add 4. It's the rule here. X plus 4, it means add 4. The rule it will be add 4. Question 115. The median of the values 8, 2, 10, 1, 3, 7, 2. We can find the median by using two steps. First step, we must arrange all the values ascending order or descending order. Ascending order, it's meaning from least to greatest, right? All numbers from left hand side, right hand side, from least to greatest. Okay, question 116. But question 115, you won't find the mean. First I will solve question 115, and then we will solve question 116, because 115 he won't find the mean. He won't find the mean. The mean equals sum of all values divided the number of values here. We must add all values. 9 plus 8, right? 8 plus 9 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6. Divided the numbers. How many value here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Again, the mean equals sum of all values divided the number of values. We have 8, 9, 2, 7, 6, 4, 6. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 16 plus 7 equals 23. 23 plus 2 equals 25. 25 plus 9 equals 34. 34 plus 8 equals 42. Okay, 42. 42 divided by 7 equals 6. Then the result here will be 6 about this example. But question 116, he won't find the median. To find the median or values, first step, you must arrange all the values from least to greatest, or greatest to smallest, as you like. Okay, but you must find the number which lies in the middle about all values. First step here, write 1, arrange with me, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, but we have to again. Okay, right, if you have this number repeating, you must write it again. Okay, 1, 2, 2, and 1, 2, 2, 3, 7, 8, and 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we have 7 numbers. You can find the order of the median by write 7, the number of values, plus 1 divided by 2. It will be 8 divided by 2, it will be 4. 4, we called it the order of the median. Count with me the fourth digit here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. So the median will be equal what? The median here, it will be equal 4. Okay, question 116, count with me, it was 3. Okay, the median here equal 3. Again, 4 here, it refers to the order of the median. The order of median. Okay, the order of the median, it will be the fourth, but the value, it will be 3. So the result here, it will be 3. The median will be 3 about question 116. Question 117, he want to find the mode. The mode, we can find it by look at the values, which number the most repeating, here. Question 117, we have 9, 2, 8, 3, 7, 3. 3 here is the mode, because 3 is the most repeat here of all values. What is the digit which repeating the most? We have 3 here in all values, repeating 2 times. Okay. Question 118, he won't find here the range. The range equal maximum subtract by minimum. Okay, maximum or the greatest value subtract by smallest value. Question 118, we can write the range equal the greatest value subtract by smallest value. Okay, understood? We can write the range equal greatest value subtract by smallest value. Question 119, it's easier to find the range using a space or space. We can use the dot bullet or box bullet to find the range. It's very easy to find the range by using dot bullets, okay, or we can use what? We can use box bullet. Dot bullets, it's meaning number line and put point here and find maximum and the minimum, such that 3 and 6. We can find the difference between greatest number and smallest number. Or box bullet to find the range from minimum or maximum from box bullet here. Its minimum, it will be such that 3 and 6. 6 minus 3 equal. We can find the range from. It's easier to find the range from dot bullets or box bullets. It's easier to find the range using dot bullets or box bullets. Question 120. The range can't be found using histogram, because histogram we use here in the interval. We can't find the range. Okay, the range can't be found using histogram. Question 121. The range for the values 9, 2, 4, 1, 8, 5. We can find the range by the difference, right? Here's the difference between greatest number and smallest number. The greatest number here 9 and the smallest number 1. 9 minus 1, it will be 8. So the difference between 9 and 1 equal 8 is the range. The range equal maximum subtract by minimum value from all values. Question 122. The largest value is 15 and the least value is 3. In the range, we can find the range, the difference between two numbers. Greatest number 15 and smallest number is 3. 15 minus 3 equal 12. Question 123. Okay. If the range of a set value is 12 and the smallest value is 5, then the largest value, to find the largest value, must add the range to the smallest value. 12 plus 5. To find the greatest number, you must add the smallest to the range. The smallest number 5, the smallest number 12 here, or 5 is the smallest. Okay, the smallest value is 5 and the range was 12, then 12 plus 5 equal 17. Question 124. Okay, 124. If the range of a set of values is 25 and the largest value is 52, this is the smallest value. To find the smallest value, we must find the difference between the greatest number and the range. The greatest number here was 52 and the range here was 25. To find the smallest, okay, the smallest value, you must find the difference between the greatest number and the range. 52 minus 25. You can find the difference between them. It will be what? It will be 12 and 4. 12 minus 5 equals 7 and 4 minus 2 equals 2. Then the result will be 27. 27, it's the smallest value. Question 125. Space and space are affected by present outliers. Affected by outliers, mean and the median. It will be affect. Okay, mean and median are affected by presence of outlier. What about outlier? Outlier is meaning point coming to left hand side, such that here 1 2 3 4 5, and we have a lot of point here such that one be outside, all values coming here but the outlier here. If you if you won't find the mean about this example, the mean will be decreased because the outlier lies here to left hand side. But if all point right to left hand side and the outlier here such that we have 100, okay, and here 1 2 3, okay, and all points coming here to left hand side and one point right here to right hand side, then the outlier here will be increased. The outlier here will be increased the mean, okay, the mean will be increased. So mean and the median are affected by presence of outliers. Okay, question 126. If the mean of values is 6, then the value of x equal what? Okay, he give us in this example the mean. We know the mean equals sum of all values. Sum of all values divided the number of values. Complete with me 126. We have the mean here equals 6. Okay, we must add all values 3 4 6 x 7. 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus x plus 7 divided by the number of values 1 2 3 4 5, and use the rule here: the product of extremes equals the product of means. 5 times 6 equals 30, and 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 7 equal 20, 20 plus x equals 30, then x will be equal 10, 10 plus 20 equals 30. Okay, question 127. The outliers in the set of values here, we have 18, the greatest number, and 5 3 4 7 6, it's the smallest, and we have the long distance between 5 3 4 and 7 and 6 and 18. Okay, look at the number line here to understood. We have 3 4 5 6, but we have 18 here. Then 18 we called it the outlier, then the result will be the outlier. Okay, we have 5 3 4 7, the values here 3 4 7 and 6 coming to left hand side, and the outlier right to right hand side. In the outlier here it will be 18. Third, answer the following number. I want to find the quotient out long division here. Number 1, 285 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3, we can't do it with 0. 28 divided by 3 equals 7. 3 times 7 equals 21. But 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. It's in raised 2. 8 minus 7 equals 1, and then drop 5. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. And then the result will be 95. Okay, it's the result about this question. Question number 2, we want to find the result here. 1728 divided by 6. We have here long division 6. 1728. 17 divided by 6. We know 2 times 6 equals 12. The difference between them 5, and then drop 2. 52 divided by 6. 6 times 9 equals 54. It's greater than 6 times 8 equal 48. The difference between them 52 minus 48, it will be 4, and then drop 8 here. 48 divided by 6 equal 8. 6 times 8 equal 48. The difference between two numbers 0 here, then 288, we call this the quotient. Question letter C. 2657 divided by 6. 2 divided by 6, we can do it. 26 divided by 6 equal 4. 4 times 6 equal 24. The difference between them will be 2, and then drop 5. 25 divided by 6 equal 4. 4 times 6 equal 24, and the difference will be 1. Then drop 7 here. 17 divided by 6, it will be 2. 2 times 6 equal 12, and the remainder will be 5. Then the result will be 442 and remainder 5. Okay. Next question. 1515 divided by 32 divided by 31 equal what? We will use the here long division again to find the result. Okay, right, the dividend here 1519 divided by 31. 1 divided by 13, we can't do it. 15, we can't do it because this one is this number. But 151 divided by 31, we can find the result by 4. Right, 4 outside, because 5 times 31, it will be greater than 151. Then we will write here in the question 4. 4 times 1 equal 4, and 4 times 3 equal 12. The difference between them, 1 minus 4, we can't do it. Put 1, it will be 11. At here 4, 11 minus 4 equals 7. 4 minus 2 equal 2, and then drop 9 here. 279 divided by 31. Look at here, 9 times 1 equal 9, and 3 times 9 equal 27. Then the result will be 49. Okay, next question. We want to find the result here. We have 42, the divisor, and the dividend in this example 26,544. 2 divided by 42, we can't do it. Then 26 divided by 42, we can't do it. Put 0 again. And 265 divided by this number. Who can tell me the number will be nearest to? Okay, 6, because we can disappear digit by digit, and 4 times 6 equal 24. It's nearest to 26. Okay, I will complete here. Okay, this example 42 times 6. I will find the multiplication between 42 and 6 to find the number less than 265. Right, 42 times 6. 2 times 6 equal 12. 2 and carry up 1. Right, 2 here and carry up 1. 4 times 6 equal 24. 24 plus 1 equal 25. It's in to this number. Write 6 outside, and 252 here. Find the difference between two numbers. 5 minus 2 equal 3. 6 minus 5 equal 1. And then drop 4 here. 134 divided by 42. We know disappear digit by digit, and 3 times 4 equal 12, and it is to 13. Then write 3 outside, and 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 4 equal 12. Find the difference between two numbers here. Okay, again 5 minus 2 equals 3. Then find the remainder. 4 minus 6, we can't do it. Put 1, it will be 2, and here 14 minus 6 equal 8, and 2 minus 2 equals 0. Then drop 4 here. 84 divided by 42 equal what? We can write here outside 42 for 84 and 42. Okay, 2 times this number, 12 is this number. Okay, 2 times 2 equal 4, and 2 times 4 equal 8. So the result will be 632. Question letter E, divided between 14,484 divided by 23. Write 0 here. 14 less than 144 greater than this number, and disappear digit by digit. And 14 divided by 2 equals 6. 6 times 2 12, nearest to 14. Write 6 outside. 3 times 6 equal 18. 8 and they carry up 1. 2 times 6 equal 12 plus 1 equals 13. Find the difference. 4 minus 8, we can't do it. It will be 3, and here 14. 14 minus 8 equals 6. 3 minus 3 equals 0, and then drop 8 here. 68 divided by 23 will be 3, but 3 times this number, it will be 39 greater than. Multiplication by 2, it's raised to this number. 2 times 3 equals 6, 2 times 2 equals 4, 8 minus 6 equals 2, 6 minus 4 equals 2, and then drop 4 here. This is digit by digit. 22 divided by 2 equal is a remainder 7 here. 2 times 7 equal 21, it's in raised to. Okay. We have 224, this number. This is digit by digit. 22 divided by 2, the nearest number will be 9. 3 times 9 equal 27, raise 7 and carry up to. 2 times 9, 11. 11 plus 2 equals 13. 2 times 9, 18. 18 plus 2 equals 20. The difference will be what? 4 minus 7, we can't do it to 1. 14 minus 7 equals 7, then drop 1, then the remainder here it will be equal 70. Next question.